probably the most difficult part about leadership for many auto repair shop owners is that you have the best of intentions to put great systems in place, one of which is the things that will help hold your team members accountable to their performance. You implement it, you do initial training with the team, but then it doesn't stick. Why? Not because you didn't have the best intentions, but because you got busy, your team was watching, and they just went back to the way they were doing it beforehand.